Philippine chef life. I'll come to Jamaica. Make sure you book them.
One and only advanced little boss and a big up chef life, you know. Bad. Wow, you doing? Come on, the money for road.
Oh my god! Yay! Welcome to another episode. Personal chef service. Yeah. So guess what? You don't know so we come from St. Anne, you understand? Yeah, my people, you don't know so we have to do the right thing, yeah? So guess what? We have one next to get right now, yeah? So now we are at Reason. Yeah, we have one 10 o'clock dinner. Oh my god. You see how the people love the food, them them say, oh, 10 o'clock, so we have to do that. Okay? So right now, I'm kind of tired, so say here. But I do the right thing, you want to express one, alright? Yay! Oxtail again, you know. Oh my god. People love your oxtail so much. They love your oxtail by their friends. Ah, oxtail and curry from the bottom there. It's some vegetables. You know, master people? Oh my god. So I remember to tell a friend, the best personal chef service, alright? Yay! Yeah, man.
So how's the juice? Delicious.
Oh my god. Excelente. Speak español. Speak español. Oh my god. You know, Team Chef Life here again. Welcome to another episode of Personal Chef Service. You know that today we're here with, you know, Sing With Me, Reggie. Oh my god. Yeah. So we have been providing service, you know, for a few days now. You know, me personally was not there. I just provide service on the last night. Yeah, one of his service that he wanted service for. Oh my god. Okay, so I want you to hear a review of my teams. Alright. Oh my god.
See me?
Oh yeah, I'm seeing it. Oh my god.
Ladies and gentlemen, chef life makes a great life. Make sure you have them in your life. Just I did. And the team was great, the food was great, on time, great service, and very friendly service. And sometimes humorous service as well. So I appreciate you. And yeah, can't wait to eat your next dish.
Oh my god! Yo, welcome to another episode of Personal Chef Service. Here right now, we're in a fall. Yay! Oh my god. So yeah, so right now you don't know, so I'm just get a call. Yeah, and I'm returning, it's in the place. So guess what, so I'm gonna cook some food for them right now. They're going to come cook them. Oh my god! Yay! So yeah, I'm going to cook them dinner right now. Let's go. Oh my god, yeah. Say how no people get everything now for location, alright? Yeah, oh my god, say I don't know so I got iron show right now. Oh my god. We're gonna see our return is yes, alright? Yeah. So remember to tell a friend. Go to this personal chef service. Yeah, Instagram with market guys, alright? One chef life. Oh my god. Yes, my people. Oh my god. I don't know say how chef life is back in the building again. Yay! Welcome again, alright. So don't know so the back by the next. My god. Yeah, hard man adventures, you understand? To make sure it was raining, people. Oh my god. Wait, don't know it's not raining, it's not today. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, so remember to tell a friend. So, one of my next nice adventure. Personal chef service at Airbnbs in Jamaica. Alright, so remember if you're ever staying at an Airbnb, you definitely need a service like this. Don't be afraid to hit me up, alright? Yay! I remember fortunately these people be around. Oh my god. Oh my God! Look here. Catch a view. Yeah, so you know, say we are head to the solid lookout, you know, in Reed and Montego Bay. Yeah, man. Oh my God! Boy, guess what? Traffic kind of hectic. Yay! So guess what? I'm gonna get a little preview of where we're going. Oh my God! Yeah, traffic kind of hectic, you know, but we still have got a Champolo through. Yeah, so remember, you know, people if you tell a friend that we're heading to solid lookout. Yeah, located in Reed in Montego Bay, yeah, but most Montegonians call it Redding. Oh my God! Yeah, so over to the right now, where Peace Be Well. Oh my God, right on the wall, so that's where they keep Reggae Sunfest. Oh my God! Yeah, catch your artwork, people. Amazing job, artists, yeah, whoever you be. Yeah. So so now we're head down. So now we're there at Freeport. Oh my God. Yeah, welcome to Freeport, Montego Bay. Yeah, and over to the right that I newly constructed Scotiabank. You understand? Yeah, over there, so them call it to the right, them call it Fairview. Yeah, and over to the left, yeah, we have one college. Oh my God, I don't remember where name, can't remember. But over to the right, just now, so over there, so them call Fairview. Yay! So we have the traffic police in the area with direct traffic, because in the morning the traffic is really hectic on this side of town. Alright, people. So if you're coming into Montego Bay, you have to come in early. Yeah, if you avoid the traffic. Alright. Catch a view. Look on the view, people. Oh my God. I would say Jamaica are nice. Yeah, so nice. You understand? Fresh fruit and everything, well fresh and nice. Yeah. So now we don't have reading. We didn't call it Reading. You understand? But as I say, the correct name is Reading. You understand, people? So if you all like Montego Bay, we call it Reading, Indian Reading. Yeah, and you have some nice sea view and all that. Oh my God. Yeah, and we are going to trample upon the road. Yeah. Oh my God. So yeah, we're at to solid lookout. So remember to tell a friend about the best personal chef service. You understand? Yeah. Catch a view, my peeps. Catch the view. So you see by the unfinished house that we up in the hills. That's the direction that we are currently heading. Wow. Catch the view, my people. My God. You're welcome to one of the episode of Personal Chef Service. Alright, to Chef Life JD. Yeah. Same also with there, solid lookout, alright. Oh my God. Yeah, no joke. Today gonna be one expected. Yeah, oh my God. So you know, so there's an infinity pool up by solid lookout. Oh my God, catch a view from the pool. Whoa, you see that? Whole of Freeport and Montego Bay we are overlooked. Yes, right from the pool. Oh my God, infinity pool. Yeah, oh my God. So yeah, remember if you tell a friend about the best personal chef service in Jamaica, alright? Yeah, no joke. Oh my God. Yeah, so you know, so this is a nice luxury villa. You understand, can accommodate you and your family or your loved ones. Oh my God.
No, that is okay. I know how to edit and all that.
Okay, I know that's right, baby.
Alright, so it's fine, yeah? Very good.
Baby, I got it. And eat, motherfucker.
Yay, so let me tell you what you're having for breakfast this morning, okay? Yeah. So over there we have the oh my God pancakes, alright? Yeah, no matter where you go in this entire world, you're never gonna eat pancakes like that before.
No, that's right.
There's some scrambled eggs, some nice fried plantain, yeah. We got some nice chicken sandwiches over there, yeah. And some jerk chicken, yeah, with some nice mimosas, alright? Oh my God. Hey. Yeah, breakfast done now at dinner time. 32 birthday celebration. Oh my God. Yay, catch your setup. Oh my God. Yeah, ladies, remember, you know, make sure you book my service, alright? Yay, happy birthday, girl. Food time. Yeah, so we have some fruit juice. Oh my God. Yeah, some jerk salmon. Yay. Yeah, oh my God. Yeah. We don't know. So we have some coconut, garlic, butter shrimps. Yay. Oh my God. With some soursop juice over there. So, oh my God. Baked mac and cheese. Look for me baked mac and cheese. Whoa. Talk to me nice. Yeah. Yeah. And we have the salad dressing right there. Oh my God. Yeah. And we have a tossed salad right there. Oh my God. And some jerk drumstick over there. Okay. Yay. Ladies, it's your birthday. Yay! Welcome to another episode of Personal Chef Service with Chef Life JD. Oh my God. So today we're having a lot of weather today, my people. Yeah? Here weather we're having today, you know what I'm saying? The beautiful Montego Bay, you know, massive. Yeah, so we're there right now. Line up with so. Yeah, we're returning yesterday from Canada. Oh my God. Yeah, so let's journey return with me to Iron Shore. Oh my god. So remember, tell a friend, alright? So I'm currently gonna go grab some items, you know what I'm saying, from various different places. Yeah? So remember, tell a friend, alright? Yeah, my peeps, oh my god. So I know I'm saying since I'll be here, you know, for right now. Yeah, be here with that. So remember, you know, let's go. We're gonna cook till we return in Canadian, alright?
Big up Team Chef Life. Come to Jamaica. Make sure you book them.
I like it.